Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some alternatives you can use if ChatGPT is not working for you. So today, Wednesday, November 8th, when I logged on to ChatGPT this morning, I saw the following message. We're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our systems. Now, you may see this message as well. I'm not sure how widespread this is among users, but if I had to guess all the buzz that happened after their dev day on Monday, November 6th, they probably saw an influx of either new users or people that have used ChatGPT in the past and flooded back into the system just to see these new features that OpenAI released. They may also be seeing an uptick in members of ChatGPT Plus, and their servers can't handle it. I'm not sure. I'm not involved in OpenAI. I don't know what the issue is. But regardless, that does happen sometimes within ChatGPT, is you see the servers sometimes become overloaded, even though I am a Plus subscriber. So that is a little frustrating to see. So when I gave it a prompt like this earlier today about Dolly, using Dolly 3 to create me a featured image, I got something down here that said there was an error generating the response. And it just is not working for me right now. So what I can do in the meantime, and what I actually noticed works pretty well, is I can go over to Bing Chat. So if you don't have Bing Chat, all you need to do is come over to bing.com and then click Chat up here on top. And this provides similar functionalities to ChatGPT, as it is powered by the GPT-4 language model. So if I hover over this creative conversation style and I copy and paste the exact same prompt, I'm curious to see with ChatGPT being down if Bing Chat can still process my prompt. It is processing on the same GPT-4 language model, so I'm very curious to see what's going to happen here. And I'll skip ahead after this is done, giving me my output. All right, so as you'll see, while the images that the Bing Chat created aren't great in my opinion, it still actually produced AI-generated images. I would assume this is powered by Dolly 3. But it is working. So, I'm very curious to know why that's the case and ChatGPT Plus is not working. Google Bard as well. Now, this doesn't have AI image capabilities, but you can create AI images using Google Search. So to do that, all you have to do is go to Google, go to Search Labs, make sure you have all of these turned on for Search Generative Experience. And then if I come back to Google, I can say, create me an image about AI tools, and then it'll say generating, and I do have a separate video that goes over how to create Google images inside Google SGE or Search Generative Experience. And right here it just generated me 2 images. Again, not great just from a basic prompt here, but these are some alternatives that you can use. And not only that, but also the text prompt. All right guys, so another alternative you can use to ChatGPT if it is not working is Claude 2, developed by Anthropic. So Claude, I've had other videos on my channel that discuss Claude. Doesn't have the AI image generation feature built in yet. But if I go in here and just ask it a text prompt, what are video ideas for my YouTube channel about AI tips and tricks, it does provide some sophisticated text responses. Now, Claude is actually more sophisticated than what you would think. When running tests against, GPT-4, Llama 2, and some of these other LLMs or large language models, Claude has actually shown in these tests that it is more sophisticated than a lot of LLMs available right now. It's up there with GPT-4. But just wanted to show you guys another alternative here with Claude 2 if you're not familiar. Now, to get more in the weeds, if you are curious about large language models or LLMs that are in the works right now or just popular models, you can go to a site called huggingface.co. And when I click models here, it's giving you all these different models that are in development, and they're upvoted by the community. You can see how many times the community downloaded them, how many times they liked them. But I am not a developer, guys. I'm going to be completely honest with you about that. So I don't understand the sophistication of models and LLMs entirely. But here's Llama 2 down here. But this is just a really cool option if you don't, if ChatGPT is not working and you're just looking for other options. And just for general AI tools, there's a website called futuretools.io. This is another great, insight here that I have other videos that talk about this too. You can filter by most upvoted on the tools list here. So if I scroll down, and there's different use cases for different tools here too. So Opus Clip, I have a whole tutorial dedicated to that. But this is just, specific use cases for AI tools, like if you want to generate images, videos, text outputs, etc. futuretools.io. But that's it, guys. That's just a super quick video going over some alternatives that you can use if ChatGPT is not working for you due to this high server demand and all these other errors that you may be experiencing as of today, November 8th. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.